Begin by removing the lower kick panel and the passenger side footwell, red arrow. Use a T20 Torx and remove the single screw in the middle of the panel indicated by the red arrow. Starting at the outside edge, use a trim removal tool and pry the panel down from the clips holding it to the glove compartment. With the panel clips, red arrow removed, pull the panel down and out from the two lower rubber mounts. You will want to get this out of the way, so you need to disconnect the light, blue arrow, and the power port, green arrow. Squeeze in on the two tabs on the electrical connection for the light and separate it. Press in on the tab, red arrow, on the power port connection and separate them, and then remove the panel from the vehicle. Next, pull down on the air distribution pipe. It is held in place by a clip, red arrow, on the pipe that attaches to the blower motor. Separate the electrical connection for the cabin air temperature sensor, blue arrow. Squeeze in the tabs and separate the connection, red arrows. Remove the air distribution pipe from the vehicle. The sensor sits in an opening in the air distribution pipe, blue arrow. Turn the sensor 90 degrees and remove it, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.